So sure, I mean, Tesla had a good quarter, and of course, they got this huge Hertz order as well, but a $3 trillion company? Come on now. I've got perspective coming up. My name is Mike Bernard. I'm the host of the Wise Money Show. I'm also one of the certified financial planners right here at Korhorn Financial Group. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash that thumbs up button. All right, Tesla all over the news, and for good reason, right? They had a great quarter. Their revenue's rising, their profits are rising, and then they've got this Hertz order that, what was it? It wasn't even a year ago. A couple investors pumped $4.2 billion into the failing, bankrupt Hertz enterprise. And then just last week, Hertz announces they're going to spend $4 billion buying Teslas. I mean, come on now. So anyway, Tesla's all over the news again, and you know, its market cap surpassed $1 trillion. We're going to get to that in just a second. And then this clickbait comes up, this headline. Is Tesla a $3 trillion company? Yeah, we should get used to that, something like that. Oh my goodness, and I fell for it, and it just got me going. So we're gonna break this down. Yeah, so Tesla stock has been surging, right? And again, for good reason. Their earnings are up, their orders are up, they're actually shipping more vehicles these days, and revenue's up. I mean, lots of good things coming out of Tesla. That's great. And the shares have absolutely surged. It's now a $1 trillion company, joins the ranks of Apple and Microsoft, the Saudi Arabia oil conglomerate, and Amazon, Google, right? These are all $1 trillion companies, and Tesla surpassed that mark just this week. That's fantastic, making Elon Musk the wealthiest person on the planet. That's fantastic. Here's the issue though. As these financial results, these strong financial results have been pouring in for Tesla, the stock has absolutely surged. Take a look at this chart. And the problem is, back prior to this, the stock was, you would say, already expecting outrageous financial results. So when they finally start coming in, the stock, you would think, might just slow down, similar to what we've seen with Amazon. Well, we've sort of been anticipating this growth, and so now that we're seeing the economic performance of the company, you know, we've already factored that in. But no, Tesla's stock is surging even higher with just wild expectations about where this company can go. Wild today. Could they manifest? Absolutely, right? Tesla, it's amazing. I had a friend of mine just recently went on vacation. He was telling me about what they did, and he said probably the highlight of the trip for the kids is when they took a test drive in a Tesla. Pretty cool, okay? So this company could end up surpassing all of our expectations. But listen, today, it is disconnected from reality. Why would I say that? Because the stock price of, yes, the stock market, but each individual company, their publicly traded stock, it is based off of the earnings of that company, the profits of that company, and not just today's profits, it's the forecast in the future. And that's why Tesla stock has risen so significantly. But let's go back to that chart, that illustration of the highest valued companies on planet Earth, okay? And like I said, Tesla has recently joined the $1 trillion club, and it's in the top 10, top 9 most valuable companies on the planet. Now, let's click that button that says not just market cap, rank in order of market cap, but rank in order of earnings. Bam. 8 of the top 9 you can still find in this list near the top. 8 of the top 9 you can still find there. That Saudi Arabia conglomerate, Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook is down there, Amazon's there a little bit lower, Tencent is there as well. And so you would say, well, they're not in the same order. Okay, that's fine, because the expectations of their profits are different as well. Not in the same order as their overall market cap, but still 8 of those top 9 are near the top of the most profitable, the earnings being as big and connected in a way to the overall stock price and market cap. Where's Tesla? Nowhere to be found. Tesla ranks 299th in the world as far as what their earnings are. Guys, they are what, the 7th, 8th most valued company, highest value company out there, over $1 trillion, and their earnings rank them barely in the top 300. Houston, we have a problem. What's the takeaway? Guys, be careful. Just be careful. And large growth and growth stocks, the reason why they trade at these high multiples is because it's expected. They're going to be bringing disruption to markets. They're going to achieve some, through their innovation, research and development and all of that, they're going to achieve higher results in the future than what their financials show today. I get that. And yet it's hard to look at Toyota, at Tesla, and say, boy, investors are really forecasting near perfect or better than perfect financial results. And as we get some, strong financial performance by the company, if that stock price continues to move in lockstep with that, I would just be careful. It's going to make this stock extremely susceptible to some wild swings like we've seen in the past. So that's not a new warning. It's just now, as the company is bigger and bigger and bigger, it's in your S&P 500 index. It's in your large growth, your large cap and large growth mutual funds. It's more pervasive, held by more people, and we're all going to be more on a wild ride, no pun intended. What do you do with this? Make sure that you're investing appropriately. If you're playing with individual stocks, make sure it's with play money, right? Like Tesla. You could, if you love trading individual stocks, if you like Tesla, like the outlook on it, go ahead. Buy some shares, but have that not be a significant portion of how you're trying to achieve financial independence. Work with your CFP on that. If you don't have a CFP on your team, you can find one on my team. Find us online, Korhorn.com. That's Korhorn with a K. WiseMoneyShow.com. You can find us there as well, or give us a call, 574-247-5898. Right there you have it. Go out and take your next wise step in your financial life.